Ever wondered how a tiny piece of metal can be the only thing that opens a specific lock? It's not magic, it's some seriously cool mechanics. Let's break down how keys are cut to fit locks in a way that's simple, clear, and practical. First, think of every lock as having a unique secret code. Inside that lock are these tiny metal rods called pins, and they're all different lengths. These pins are the gatekeepers, deciding which key gets access and which one doesn't. Now, look at a key. The shape isn't random at all. The grooves on the sides are like guide rails, making sure the key slides into the lock the right way. But the real magic is in the teeth, those cuts along the top edge. Each cut, or valley, is designed to push one of those pins up to a very specific height. Here's the moment of truth. When you slide the correct key in, each tooth lifts its corresponding pin to the perfect height. When all the pins are perfectly aligned, they create a straight line inside the lock called the shear line. This allows the cylinder to turn, and voila, the lock opens. But if even one cut is slightly off, a pin will be to high or to low, blocking the shear line, and that lock isn't going anywhere. So, how do locksmiths actually make these keys? There are a few common methods. The one you've probably seen is copying an existing key. They clamp your original key and a blank key into a machine, and a cutting wheel traces your old key to carve an identical new one. A more precise method is cutting a key from a code. New locks often come with a specific key code. A locksmith can enter this code into a specialized machine, which then cuts a brand new, factor-perfect key. This is usually the most accurate way to do it. Then there's the real expert-level skill, impressioning. This is what a locksmith might do if you've lost all your keys. They insert a blank key into the lock and wiggle it around. Tiny marks left on the blank key show where the pins are. They then file the key down bit by bit, test it, and repeat the process until it works perfectly. It's a true art form. Precision is everything here. We're talking about measurements in fractions of a millimeter. This is why a poorly made copy from a worn-out machine might not work, or why your own key might stop working as it gets worn down over the years. It's also why professional machines give you the best, most reliable results. Here's a simple way to think about it. A lock is like a password system. The pins are the security check, and the cuts on the key are the correct password. If the password isn't exactly right, you're not getting in. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how everyday things work. See you next time.